So guys, I'm back with my sketchbook update video, and I think this is going to be the last one of the series. I did really enjoy this, and I genuinely found myself drawing every day, which I'm surprised because normally I'm not very consistent with these things. But at the same time, I don't really think my art is improving, and I can probably talk more about this later, but it's kind of more like I'm a factory pumping out art. So not everything's how I want it to be, I'm just doing it for the sake of doing it. That aside, I'm going to show you some of the sketches I've done up to this day. So obviously you had the one I drew last time. Then I did some pose. I'm doing these drawings with a large graphite pencil. This I just did with a black colour pencil. More pencil sketches. More hands, biro, another sketch. Going back, I quite liked how this turned out. I know the pose isn't perfect, but I do think, because I did a full body and I don't normally do full bodies, I think it turned out quite nicely. Here I tried doing some outfits, just some more poses, and all my drawings are about 10 to 20 minutes. Another pencil sketch and poses. More poses, because these are more, I've done some poses before, but these are more life study poses. If you can tell, they're more abstract in their positioning. And then I ran out of paper in my sketchbook before I could get to the 23rd day, and I was like, I could finish it here, but I had already been on a streak. Like, I think up to that point, I had drawn straight from the, what date was it? 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 15, 14, 13. So here, which is roughly like the middle of the sketchbook, all of these drawings, I'm pretty sure I did them like every day back to back. So another pencil sketch here, and this is where I just got some extra paper. Pencil sketches. This is some fountain pen, and this is, I did with, what are those called? Stabilo fine liners, coloured fine liners. I quite liked how this one came out, the sketch especially. Then I went over in pen, and I still like how it came out. These ones, just some faces, just trying out some things. And this one is a girl wearing like an oversized sweatshirt. And so we come to the last day, which is today. I'll draw my final one here. is the last video of the series, Drawing Every Day. I thought I'd give you one last flip through of the sketchbook and just point out some of my favourite drawings. So obviously we've got the front, which I designed myself, front and back. Then first page, face sketches, eyes. I really like these eyes. I think I posted them on my Instagram. Faces, poses. There's lots of poses and faces. A pair of longer sketches. This is 15 minutes, this is 20 minutes. Quite like how this one turned out. Animals, faces, eyes, portraits. There's lots of stylized portraits in this sketchbook. Poses, so I can get better at drawing poses. I quite like how these pair of dresses came out. This one I really like the line work on it, and I really like the shading on this dress here. It just seems very shiny, very sheen. It's really got that satin effect that I was trying to get. Some more portraits, face sketches, poses. Some interesting faces. Testing the pencil brush pen. A stylized portrait. I quite like this one here. More poses. Hand sketches. Just a cheap fine liner here. Drawing a model on a clothing website. Weird creatures. Some cute animals. Pair poses. More faces. Quite like how the eyes on this one look. I think this is the only page that has colour. Another clothes sketch. I really like how the shading on this one came out as well. 1 minute, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Super quick sketches. Another clothing outfit I like. This is the graphite pencil. Really like how this pair of drawings came out. This is 10 minutes and this is 8 minutes. Some more graphite pencil. Got a bit carried away. Biro. More biro. Quite like how this one came out. Her eyes. She's got quite a lot of character to her in terms of the shape of her face. Just the overall shapes of her face. They add quite a unique character to her. Clothes. More poses. I think this is proper life drawing poses. I mean, who's to say what's proper? The last couple of pages. And the final one. I actually really like how this one came out. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Maybe I'll do another series like this soon. But until then, bye.